run, 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 run. Loving you till kingdom come, but you drive me crazy. Send someone, still my billboard baby.
I don't like that. I don't like that look for LADIPOE. Is it just no? I've heard people make Agbaya jokes about LADIPOE on this song, but yeah, I kind of see it. Now this is the Mavins. This is the Mavins All-Star song. It has Crayon. Let me see who else is on it. It has Crayon. It has Ayra Starr. It has LADIPOE, I think. Yeah, and Boy Spyce. Yeah. Okay, either way, we'll get into it. It's the whole Maven crew except Johnny and Rema. So yeah, I think Mavins have done something very tactical in the sense that they've made an anthem each generation of artists that they've signed. They did it with Dorobuchi in the first instances when Mavins became a thing, and since then they said, nah, we're doing this shit again and again. So they've been trying to, I won't call it trying to make another Dorobuchi. They have made other songs that lean or at least achieve the similar things as Dorobuchi, but I think also what these collaborations do is they help bring the unit as a record label together, and it helps with the branding. It helps have a good look for all the artists simultaneously. It's a genius move that many record labels should be doing. I hated it for DMW because they missed out on a collaboration on a collaboration EP or an album, or at least a lot more DMW records. They had a run of some of those songs, but I think they should have stamped their names in the sands of time with an album. I think Mavins is ready for an album, a collaboration album, like CV, like Mohit's days, you know what I mean? But Don Jazzy is still brilliant either way. But I heard this record multiple times across social media. It got annoying. I didn't like it because I thought the hook was annoying. Personally, that's even from someone that hasn't clicked play on the song. It's one of the biggest songs in the country. It's one of the biggest songs Afrobeat wise. I don't know what it's doing on turntable, but I know as of now on Apple Music it is #1. It's doing well. It's performing. It's doing the works. It's definitely serving a good look for their new artists like Magixx and Boy Spyce that are in need of a breakout song or a breakout hit moment, and I think this might just be a good look for them. So it's a good thing that they're doing that. And shout out to Ayra Starr too, another superstar, a young superstar, bagged 8 nominations for the Headies. Let's get into Overloading, Overdose. Let's see what the song is saying, cha. Is this the same song?
Every little thing you did do to me, you sweet to me for about.
It's Crayon, right?
She your loving fee for me. Wow. Get your ball and make her go crazy. I'ma get say you sure for me. Say make her withdraw money.
It's so juvenile, bro. It's for the kids. I like how it's not picking up yet. It's just all snare so far, and then the build up. Oh, that was brilliant. That was good. To transition the beat like that. That was good. Overdosing, overloading, then overdosing. Okay, Ayra. Let's go. Bitcoin in my wallet like this. Wisdom in my knowledge.
Live to die another day for you, baby.
LADIPOE.
Casting over ways for you, baby. The only time that you say that you hate me is when I take the last slice of pastry. Now I'm on the run. Loving you till kingdom come, but you drive me crazy. Send someone, still my billboard baby.
I don't like that. I don't like that look for LADIPOE. Is it just no? I've heard people make Agbaya jokes about LADIPOE on this song, but yeah, I kind of see it. It wasn't compatible here. Run. Yeah, I know. Unfortunately, it didn't work for me. I don't think it's a good look for him, but it's a good look. No, it's not. No. I'm about to say because it's a hit, it doesn't matter. He can take it, but no, I don't think he needs this kind of hit. He has good enough solo hits to sustain himself. He didn't need this. I don't think he needed this. The song didn't need this as well. Definitely, the song didn't need this. Oof.
I'm on the run. Loving you till kingdom come, but you drive me crazy. Send someone, still my billboard baby.
It sounds like Fashino. Anyone knows Fashino knows that's Fashino's vocal texture at that point. Run. There's done. Anyone knows Fashino knows what I'm talking about.
Pastry now, I'm on the run, baby.
This is Magixx. Okay, give him runs. Okay, Crayon is carrying the fuck out of this hook though. The pre-chorus is crazy. To be honest, this song was annoying on social media, but hearing it in its full context is a lot more appealing. It's a lot more, what's the word? In sync with everything. Like the transitions, the way it's put together, the arrangement, the fact that they had, I'm still holding on to this point. The fact that they had only the snare in the beginning when Crayon opened the song, and then brought the drums in, or at least more of the bass, rather the kick to the song, as soon as they transitioned it. Fucking brilliant. I thought that was a good thing to make the song have a huge impact. You can definitely see that when they're performing the song. If they're going on, I'm sure in the video too. I'm not watching the video, but I'm sure if they made a video, like that would make a huge impact in terms of like a huge transition into something. The impact there is strong. There's a bang there as you're getting into that, and the chorus is so simple. It's so simple. It's so mind-numbingly simple that it has no choice but to work commercially, because we Nigerian audiences, Afrobeat audiences, Afro-pop audiences rather, we like to be spoon-fed the choruses. It has to be easy, bro. Easy on the ear, not too much. Make it about love. Like no fat around it. Keep it cute. Keep it simple. That's exactly what they're doing so far. And right now we're getting Ayra's vocals to back up the second run on the chorus, and it sounded wonderful right now, man. It sounded absolutely exquisite, because her vocals, I still see her as one of the best vocalists in the country. Yeah, I said it. I'll still say it again. Ayra has one of the best voices in the country. But yeah, man. Yeah. Oh. Overdose me, now you I want. Overloaded, overload. So catchy, bro. Okay, Ayra, sing it. Is this voice Spyce? It's good for him that they had a beat transition for him. That's solid. It makes his presence a lot more grand, like a grand entrance. I like that they clear road for him. You know what I mean? It's nice. It's nice. I can beat break. Cause I know in my heart and my soul. If you do me jeje, me self I could follow, baby. Oh, if I enter your motor, pim pim pim, I could make you to shout, pum pum pum. Okay, I saw a clip of this. I thought that was annoying, but right now it's gingering me. I won't lie. Me self I could
go make you to shout. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Me, I know to like you for my. So now you want to show my mama.
Definitely an indicator for him and makes him stand out. That pim 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 makes him stand out. Nice way to see the song out, bro. I won't be against another run at the chorus too, though, to see the song out. But yeah, beautifully arranged. Great song. There's a reason why it's making as much impressions as it is to the masses, especially to the younger audience. But again, it's going to be a kind of hit that transcends generations. Mom and dad, everybody, auntie, uncle will be vibing to this. It's very, very simple that once you get to a trajectory of simplicity, the mommies, the daddies can start using it as their ringtone. And this is how you build household names, man. This is how you build household names for these artists. It kind of did that. It did a whole lot. Dorobuchi did a whole lot of good for the artists at the time that were making their runs on it, especially those that really took the opportunity to make a moment out of it. I think Boy Spyce really did a good thing. Well, it did a good thing that the beat kind of cleared for him. He's at the end of the song, which might be an issue in terms of how the song is being replayed. It's a pop song. Usually in many pop songs and the functions of how they use them, say a DJ is spinning it on the radio or even at an event, first two verses or first run at the chorus, and then they're skipping on to another song, which might be an issue for him because he's coming at the latter end of the song where he's having a very crowd engaging moment with the pim 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 and the pom pom pom. Even though it's cheesy, it's corny, but that shit might get a crowd going. But it sucks that it's coming at the end. So as many, I don't know how many DJs will get to that point of the song. Might be a DJ career suicide to stretch a song that long, 3 minutes into it. But then again, it would be an okay look for Boy Spyce. I think it's a greater look for Crayon because he's on the chorus. He's on the chorus that he's so well, like, it's a great look for Crayon. I think Crayon is the biggest winner out of this, in my opinion. Very strong, catchy like intro. Like, no, okay, strong, catchy chorus, clearly. Very engaging chorus. They're singing along to it. He's the lead vocalist on that. But the intro to the song, very nice, very subtle, and crazy build up into a fantastic verse already, chorus already. So he's the biggest winner easily. When it came to the verses, who stood out for me in terms of the verses, I think Ayra clearly. Ayra definitely had a very nice and I like this. Yes, I absolutely enjoyed it. So I think Ayra had the best verse for me. Who else had my least favorite verse, obviously LADIPOE. LADIPOE didn't need to be here. He gave Agbaya vibes, but it was such a disservice to him being on this kind of song. Because not to say he's to be prideful and say he's above the song. No one is above a feature, but at the end of the day, it's fucking LADIPOE, man. I don't think it's a good look for his brand. It's kind of off-brand. Is what I'm saying. It's off-brand for him. Off-brand. I don't think he will be on such a mind-numbing simple song. Like a simple song. Like he has had pop records, but many of his pop records are not simple. They're not. I won't say simple in a bad way, but they're not like mind-numbingly like cookie cutter basic. Like I give him more credit to have much more interesting choruses as opposed to or interesting melodies or interesting songs as opposed to this cookie cutter like very kid friendly type of sound. But yeah, worst verse maybe LADIPOE. I didn't mind. I loved Magixx's verse more because he actually flexed his vocals there. I think that was a good look for him. So it goes Ayra, Magixx, Boy Spyce, and then LADIPOE, and then shout out to Crayon dominating the fuck out of that chorus, man. And good look for Crayon, biggest winner out of this. Let's move on to the next song already. Yo, thank you so much for watching that video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Of course, it's just my opinion. I would love to know yours in the comment section. That was also a clip off of New Music Friday live stream where we show up every Friday night, 5:30 EST, 11:30 West African time, where we actually listen to new music, get reactions, and get to vote on each song. It's always a fun ride, so definitely tap in and hit the notification bell if you haven't, okay? That's when you know when we're live, alright? Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of the videos on the channel as well, okay? Let's go!